4 things you didn't know about Nellis Air Force Base. Number 1. Employing over 14,000 people, the Air Force Base is one of the largest employers in Southern Nevada. Number 2. The base supports 300,000 people in the Las Vegas Valley, including veterans, families of service members, and retirees. Number 3. The base is its own self-sustaining community within the Las Vegas community. There are restaurants, chapels, hotels, a movie theater, a tattoo shop, childcare, and so much more for the residents and workers on base. Number 4, the base has 6 canine officers assigned to it. 4 of these dogs with jobs are for explosive detection and 2 are for drug detection.
Number 5, Nellis has an awesome online auction bid. Or does it? Let's see. What's going on? What's happening? What's good? It's your boy DJ. Yes, this isn't a gig log. We're going to talk about my plug, my secret sauce, my go-to for cheap and expensive DJ gear. And it's not the Air Force Base out in Vegas. It's Nellis Online Auctions. So let's hop over to the website. I'm going to show you what it is and let's go. Full disclaimer. If you're in these areas, you're good to go. If not, I hate to see you leave. But before you go, please hit the like, subscribe, and don't forget to check out dope content coming soon. Las Vegas, Phoenix, Houston, Philadelphia, Denver. If you're in those areas, you're good to go. Let's go. All right, so we're gonna log into this bad boy and I'm gonna show you guys what's what. You gotta create an account. There it is. And now we're gonna explore. Nellis basically is an online returns, a lot of Amazon returns, a lot of other websites, Wayfair, Etsy, all that other stuff, Shein. They come to this site and they get redistributed. Sometimes it's used, sometimes it's brand new. It's a shot in the dark and you're bidding on it. So let's just scroll a little bit and see what we can find. Like you have a TV here. 75-inch TV retailed for $1,300 and it's bidding off for $321. Not bad. Let's even go further. I'm a DJ, right? Let's type in the word DJ. Boom. All right. First top row, I see 2 lights. I see an Osmo Pocket and I see a small rig adjustable hand grip gimbal. I'm looking at a moving DMX 512 strobe headlight sound activated, which retails for $188. Right now, the current bid is $23. If you're a beginner DJ, that's not a bad price. So right now we're at $23 for a light. Here's another light, a U-King stage light moving head. Not gonna lie, I had this light a couple years ago and I just retired it. Not this one, but something similar. And it's actually behind me running in the studio. It looks exactly like that. This is retailed at $160 and it's going off in 5 hours and it's only up to $31. Again, beginner DJ, not bad to get a light. So right now, 23 and 30, 31. We're at $50. Let's keep scrolling. Let's see what we got. We have some wireless microphone, a toner wireless dual UHF cordless. You get all the specs. It retails at $102. Right now it goes off in 4 hours and it's only at $16. Yes, I said it, $16. So right now you're at 23, 31, and 16. That's about 60 some odd dollars if you do the math. I'm not a great mathematician. You do it, I'm not. Some more mics. Wait, what is this? A Veek professional audio mixer. So it's not top of the line, but here's another audio mixer. It retails for $47. It's going off in 3 hours for $7. So right now you're at 23, 31, 16, and 7. You do the math. I think that's under $100. That's not bad for some important parts for a beginner DJ. Fog machine, if you really want it, $4. There's a DJI drone. I might be looking at this for me. So there's all the DJ stuff. And it has other things as well. Let's get out of here. Explore this. If you're looking for stuff for your house, You got kids, there's a jungle gym for your backyard. Pieces only. There's truck bed parts. There's bedding. You name it, it's there. It's so much stuff. You can definitely go down a rabbit hole searching in here. Hi guys, we're back. So I'm gonna tell you something about Nellis. Let's rewind back a couple weeks. My wife is on it too. She found something really cool, and I want to show you what we did. All right, what's up? So we are on our way to Nellis to go pick up some stuff. This is a dope find. Wifey found this, so she sent me out on this rainy Wednesday afternoon to go pick this stuff up. So let's go. Ah, they got the TV. All right, so this is Nellis. You get everything up there. You give them the code. Yeah, so this is Nellis. You give them the code, and then you go do your thing. All right. So now I'm just waiting for a photo booth right now. Oh, that's a surprise. It was a photo booth. So we will see. Yeah, and you just roll right in and get your stuff and roll right out. That's for me, yep. All right, thank you. Yeah, I might need some. Let me put this away real quick. Yep. Oh, yeah, we're good. All right.
It was a weird one.
Yeah. Perfect. Yes, beautiful. Yeah, it fits. Fuck out of here. All right, bro. Appreciate you. All right. So now we are good to motherfucking go. And just like that, you pull out. All right, so that was my really rainy, quick trip to Nellis a couple weeks ago. You got to see how to drive through, pick it up, and roll out. It's that simple. It's in a big-ass warehouse in the back of an industrial park. It's actually pretty cool. First time going there, it's definitely an experience. You walk in, give your QR code. Staff is very friendly. They roll your stuff out that you won. If it's really big, they'll help you put it in the car like you saw with my clip. And I'm going to show you what we did. We went and got ahead and got a photo booth. Yes, now we are running 2 photo booths. We have the 360 and this one that I'm going to show you. I'm going to hop over to the website again, back on Nellis, and I'm going to show you what we did. All right. So this is called a Harazi portable photo booth compatible with any iPad, large light box iPad photo booth for Christmas, wedding, party shells, software app control light flight case. Say that 10 times fast. Where are the commas? That's a big ass runoff. Run on sentence. My God. All right. Sorry. I'm rambling. Anyway, but this is something similar as to what my wife won. She has her own account on Nellis. She went over there and won that. This is a standalone booth. It's almost like a set and forget. You run your program, which we run Luma Booth, and you just set it up and you set it and forget it. Come back at the end of the night and pick it up. Or you can have an attendant there, and it's so simple. So this one retailed for $655. The winning bid on this was $321. That's almost 50% off of the market value of the suggested price on this. That's on this one. Now, I'm going to show you, not even show you, I'm going to tell you what my wife got hers for, or ours. Hers is a similar one, kind of like this, but it's all white. And that one retailed for $895. We picked that one up for $250. So now we have an $800 photo booth sitting in our inventory that we only paid $250 for. You do the math. That's a win-win either or. It wasn't used. The only downfall was there were no directions, and a part on the case was a little bent. I'm okay with that. So I strongly advise any beginner DJs, veteran DJs, or anybody on a budget, if you're in those areas, check out Nellis. There's a lot of good stuff in there for DJs. There's a lot of good stuff for your house. There's a lot of good stuff. Christmas just passed. Stock up for next year's Christmas. Stock up for gifts. If you're a techie like me, go to the electronics. There's a lot of cool stuff, gadgets. You can start building shit and do what you got to do. So I'm going to get back on Nellis and see what else we can find. And remember, that's the plug. I'm plugging you. You plug me.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Oh, don't say that. That is Nellis. That is my plug, guys. That's my secret sauce. That's my little trick, tip, and hack I wanted to show you. I'm going to jump back over there and see what other deals I can find.